Hey guys, welcome to my week 6 update of the Amazon Influencer Program. If you guys are unfamiliar with the program, basically you could sign up if you're any type of creator or have any type of following, and you could actually create review videos for Amazon. So that's what we're seeing here. At this point, I am 6 weeks into the program, and I have made, at this point, almost $200 in my first 5 weeks. So it's been going really well so far. I've created at this point 122 videos, and I'm just showing you guys how I'm progressing within the program, because there's people saying that they can make like, a couple hundred, couple thousand, tens of thousands of dollars within the program. So just trying to see how long it takes to actually get there. So at this point, my highest daily average has been an average of about $8 per day or $7 per day. So all right, going into week 6. So how many videos did we actually make? We didn't make that many videos or posts. I'm actually going back to just only making videos, and I've actually slowly been deleting some of my previous posts. So altogether right now we have a total of 126 posts, because people are saying, like, if you want to be placed within the product pages, you can only have like a certain percentage of your video reviews on there, and if your old videos like don't perform, sometimes it's better to just delete them. And these aren't like hard facts or anything, but these are what some people are saying, like on Facebook groups I'm a part of. So I'm just experimenting at the moment, and some of the videos I did delete were, in my opinion, like poor quality, and I thought, okay, maybe I could just recreate a video for that product and upload it again, trying to see if I could actually get my video placed on those products. Okay, how many clicks did we get? We got 430 clicks. Again, these are rounded numbers because Amazon doesn't like you showing exact figures. So 430 clicks there, which is like pretty low compared to previous weeks. My lowest week so far was week 1 at 400 clicks, so we're getting pretty close to there, which is kind of to be expected. You gotta keep in mind this week was like New Year's Eve and everything like that, so after Christmas, so maybe not a lot of people are buying or just scrolling on Amazon for these particular weeks, so that's why the clicks are low, or at least I hope so anyways. So in terms of sales, so how many products actually shipped? We had 30 products that actually shipped. Again, one of my lower weeks, because we did focus a lot of our review videos on toys in the beginning, because I am a father and have a son with a lot of toys, so I thought that'd be the easiest thing for me to review because I have a lot of them just in my house. So sales, not great. Again, this is just items that have shipped, so the fact that it was a holiday week as well impacts these numbers a little bit. But moving forward, I'm going to be focusing more on like home products and like products that you could probably buy throughout the year. So we'll see, hopefully see these numbers increase as time goes on. So 30 products shipped. And how much in commission did I make for this week? So for this week, I made about 25 bucks. Again, not as low as my week 1, but this is my second to lowest week in terms of commission, again because of the holiday week, so I'm not super concerned about this, which brings us a total to $4 per day. That's the average. So even if I were just to continue making 25 bucks per week at the end of the month, that's an extra 100 bucks per month that I wouldn't have had before. So still very grateful for the numbers that we were able to receive. Again, this is mostly just passive income. Like, I've already done the work, and these videos are just on Amazon and people are watching them, and I'm getting commission for it. So not a lot of extra work done for this week, so not super concerned. And overall, let's just go for the totals here. So I have 126 videos, like I said. So far within the program, I got over 3,600 clicks, and within the program I got over 360 shipped product. And how much did I make for the past 6 weeks being in the program? So I made $224 just only 6 weeks into the program. Like I said, this is a very easy side hustle to get started with. You make money pretty much instantly if you're able to get your videos placed on a product that sells on a regular basis. So it's the easiest thing to get started once you get approved for everything, in my opinion. So that's why I'm going to be dedicating the year of 2024 to trying to grow my storefront and increase my commissions. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.